welcome to CyberDucky. Today we will look into Azure Cloud and how to create a VM. So in this video I will show you how to create a VM in Azure Cloud, and you can create Windows or Linux, any of your choice, and I'll show you in the portal. Let's go to Azure portal. Hello everyone. To create Azure VM, just you can go to Azure Cloud and the portal. From there you can click create with virtual machine, and you need to select what kind of operating system. All this information can give here. So first you need to creating a resource group, so everything attached to a resource group. So I put it a resource ducky whatever, then test region. Maybe I want to Southeast Asia. Maybe US is more cheaper, I think. I don't know. So maybe there is a pricing difference also region to region. Availability, no redundancy required. So if you are selecting any of the windows, maybe you need license. So you can just select Ubuntu is more easier. Linux, yeah. So we want to access from public, so we will leave this. This is we're using the key, SSH key. Then disk, networking, it will auto generate these other things. So later we will discuss, or maybe in a later video I'll show you how to create a network and manage the network within the Azure cloud. And then go management. We don't need to add anything here, nothing. So just review and create. So usually this will take some time. Yeah, the validation is passed, so we can just create. So these are the information, then press create and download the SSH key so that we can locally access. Okay, it's initiating development. Okay, so let's wait for a while to load. Then I'll show you how you can access the server from remotely from your desktop or your Mac, whatever you're using, how to SSH from local to the cloud. So from here you can see the machine is available, it's running already. So let's see how we can access through remote. For that we need to open the terminal, then we start from there. To connect SSH, if you want to have some idea, you can just click to connection, then it will show you what you need to do. So what you have to do is first you need to change the key file to access permission, then you need to access this one. So let me show how to do that. Let me open the rest terminal. Sorry. So what I can see here, the key is this one. So first we need to give permission. So chmod 400 test. Then we can go back again. If you want, you can just copy this. It's more easy. Then we can go back to terminal, just paste one thing, just go back all the way, remove. Yes, yeah. So remember we created just now the test PC. So think who sorry host name just the one we created, and show sorry IP if config slash yeah, this one is not Windows, sorry. So this is the IP address 04. Confirm this, we go back again, we can overview. So this is the name test IP address. I'm not sure from here we can see it. Guess yeah, in card IP is a public IP. So that's about it for today, and next time I will join you guys with more networking portion in Azure Cloud, how to create a subnet and how to divide them, then how we can add them into different groups. We will discuss those in following upcoming videos. And thank you for the time. Please help to subscribe and like, comment as usual, and appreciate your time. Thank you.